Guys, I'm back and it's just to answer a very quick question about this Neewer 8000 condenser microphone kit. And the question is, will it work on a PS4 system? Well, it does in fact work, and it will also work in line with a gaming headset too. Today we are using the M-Power EG3 Pro. It's a brilliant headset. You can check the review out. It has been out for a few weeks on my channel. Brilliant little headset. Go and watch that video after this one. And first thing you should know is, when you are connecting the microphone to the PlayStation, the first thing you should do is to connect the headphones to your PS4 controller. Insert it. Let's see if you've got some sound. Yep. And we need to make sure that that microphone is indeed switched off on the cable of that headset. Now we've got audio, we need the mic. So basically this Neewer 8000 is USB connected. We're not going to put the stand up just for now. We're just going to show you guys that it does indeed work. Then take the USB for the Neewer microphone, plug it into the PlayStation, and there you see now the microphone is hooked up. So first things first, because it is plugged into the PlayStation, it does act differently than it does plugged into a PC. So make sure it is situated at arm's length. So let's pretend it's on a stand just now. And let's start with the voice prompt. PlayStation. Take screenshot. Uncharted 4. Resident Evil 2. So yes, the microphone does indeed work on this PlayStation 4, and that also works while using a gaming headset too. So that's good to know. Some microphones don't actually work in line with a gaming headset, but just follow the routine. Make sure the gaming headset is first plugged into the PlayStation 4 controller, and then proceed to plug in that Neewer 8000 mic via the USB cable supplied, and you shouldn't have any problems. Now this isn't your usual type of video. It's quite amateur and I'm just basically freestyling today. So if you want to go over, check the rest of my videos, check out the review for this Neewer 8000 microphone. It is brilliant, great for voiceovers. I've actually reviewed this not long ago. Go and check that video out. Go and check the M-Power EG3 Pro gaming headset out. And this is just an extra little bonus video today. Yes, it is old TV. Just using it for basically kids gaming. Yeah, what we're going to play now? A bit of Resident Evil 2? Yeah? No? Resident Evil? Oh, certainly not Sonic.